Hello students, in this video I want to teach you how to calculate the perimeter and area of composite figures. Last time we have learned how to calculate the perimeter and area of squares and rectangles. Okay, we can use that information, we can use that knowledge to 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 apply it in these composite figures also. Okay, so let's review how to do the areas and perimeters of the squares and rectangles, and then we combine it together for the composite figures. Now please, before we continue further, I think we need to understand what is composite figures first. Okay, so when you see this word composite, now I hope when you hear the words just like, for example, compose, and then composition, and then composer, and then you click in your mind. Oh, what is that? A composition. Maybe you can see that in English lesson, right? Composition. You make sentences from words, and then from sentences to paragraph, right? You build this connection, right? Sentences to paragraph, paragraph to stories, and then oh, it become a good writings, right? Then about composer. Oh, in music composer, music composer. Oh, these are the men and women who make music, beautiful music for us to hear, right? For example, the things that you have heard, this one from these tones and combine with the other tones, and then you can see that become a beautiful music, right? For example, so mi fa re do re mi fa so, all that kind of things. Yeah, so whenever you heard this thing, right, about composition, composer, and then the composite, it's just the same idea. It is made of parts, made of parts. So remember, whole is made of parts, and parts make the whole. And then please remember they connect with logical connection. Yeah, so it is not only you just connect, but you connect with a logical connection. Okay, let's see how to do the perimeter and area of composite figures. So whenever you see this one is the first example you can see over here. This composite figures is made of two simple shapes that we have learned. The first one, the yellow shape here is a rectangle. The second shape here, the pink shape here, is a square. Okay, so let's review again uh, how to do the perimeter and area for squares and rectangles. Now let's see the rectangles first. Okay, how to do the perimeter? For please remember how to do perimeter. We start measure calculate from this upper left hand side. Okay, this corner here. Okay, so you see the 5 plus the 4 plus the 5 plus the 4, and then it become 18 centimeter. Okay, if you use formula, you can use this 2 times uh, open bracket length plus the breadth, right? Why 2 here? Because you have 2 for the length, and then you have 2 for the breadth. Okay, so when you put the numbers, and then you can get 18 centimeter also. And then for the area is the length times the breadth. Okay, so 5 times with 4, and then you can get 20 square centimeter. And then for a square, this one is a square, right? A square, small squares here. The perimeter same. Start from the upper left hand side, upper left hand corner here, and then you count 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, and then become 8 centimeter. This is the perimeter, or you can use that one 4 times the length of the side. Why 4? Because this one you have 4 sides, and then all the 4 sides are equal, times with the 2, become 8 centimeter. And then the area is just the same. This one is just side times with the side, side times with the side, 2 times with 2, and then 4 centimeter, 4 square centimeter. Okay, so let's see with the first example here. Okay, when you see this one, the L shape here, this one, if you see it carefully, if we think of the composite, it means it's made of two shapes, two or more simple shapes. Then you can see how to build this one. Suppose this one, the first one, you can do it like this. Okay, you have the first shape, the rectangles here, and then the second shape is the square. Okay, or you can do it by like this. It is made of these two shapes. Two of them, both of them are rectangles. Okay, but let's just move. We will later. I will show you how to do this one. One by one. Let's see the perimeter first. So the perimeter. Let's start again. Start from the upper left hand corner over here. So you see the 2 plus the 3 plus the 2 plus the 2 plus the 4 plus the 5. This one is equal to 18 centimeter. And then how to do area by observation? We just need to see how many squares inside these lines, right? So when you count this one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, oh, 14 square centimeter. So this one, if we do it by observation, this one is 14 square centimeter. Now let's see the first method. The first method is that we do it by addition. Okay, I hope you can see this one, the addition. How to do the addition? You see this one, it is made of two shapes, right? The green shapes and then the blue shapes. Okay, so if we do it by addition, we can say this one, for example, the greens area, the green plus the blue. Okay, let's just make it simple, just like write green and blue. Okay, then the green, how to do the area of the green? So please remember, this one is rectangles, so you just do it by length times the breadth. The length is 5, the breadth is 2, 5 times with 2, and then you plus this square. Okay, this one is 2 times with the 2, right? Side times with the side, and then let's do the calculation. 5 times 2 is 10, and then 2 plus 2 times 2 is 4, and then we can get the 14 square centimeter. Okay, just now if we compare with the one that we do it by observation, we also get 14 square centimeter, right? So this one is, if you do it by addition, you can see this one, the green plus the blue. Okay, now let's move forward. If we can do the second method. The second method is just like this. When you see this, the whole shapes here, it is just like the you see, it is one, the whole area here. This one is just like a piece of paper, and then you cut this piece away, and then it become the L shape here, right? Now, so this one, the total area is by you can do the area of the L shape is by this calculation also. You can do it by total area minus the pink area. So how to do the area here? So the total area, you can see this one, the length is 5 and then the breadth is 4. Okay, so the total area, let me just write down first, the total area minus the area of the pink. Okay, and then the total area just now is, the length is 5 and then the breadth is 4, 5 times 4, and then minus the area of the pink. You see 3 and 2, right? So let's just do it, 3 times with the 2. Okay, sorry. Now this one is become 5 times 4 is 20. Okay, then minus this 3 times 2 is 6, and then you get 20 minus 6 is 14 square centimeter. Okay, so you see the way. So the same, right? Either you do it by observation, 14, or you do it by addition, it's still 14. If you do it by subtraction, it is 14. Okay, so I hope this explanation will be helpful to you. Later in the next video, I will show you more examples how to do this again. Yeah, so we can do it by method 1 by addition, second one by subtraction. Hope this video can help you and help you to see this one logically. Okay, thank you.